glowing soft and bright. Every shadow turns to silver as the world is wrapped in light. People rushing through December, but my heart begins to slow, 'cause Christmas is coming, and I feel it in my soul.
Hi everyone, it's Sibel Hill here, and today I'm sharing something truly special for the holidays. My homemade Christmas eggnog. It's creamy, cozy, and absolutely delicious. The perfect festive drink to enjoy by the Christmas tree with your loved ones. Here's what you'll need for this heartwarming recipe. 6 egg yolks, 115 grams of castor sugar, 480 milliliters of whole milk, 240 milliliters of heavy cream, half a teaspoon of ground nutmeg, a quarter teaspoon of maple syrup, and a quarter teaspoon of salt. Simple ingredients, but together they make pure Christmas magic. Start by pouring your whole milk and heavy cream into a pan. Add the nutmeg and turn the heat to medium. Gently stir the mixture as it warms. We want to bring it to a gentle simmer, but not a boil. Once it's nice and hot, turn off the heat and set the pan aside to rest. Now, in a separate bowl, add your 6 egg yolks and the castor sugar. Whisk them together really well until smooth, pale, and creamy. This is what gives our eggnog that rich, velvety texture. Next, it's time to temper the eggs. Slowly pour a little of the warm milk mixture into the eggs while whisking constantly. This prevents them from scrambling. Once combined, pour everything back into the pan. Place the pan back over medium heat, stirring constantly until the mixture starts to thicken slightly. If it coats the back of your spoon, it's done. Turn off the heat and keep stirring gently for another minute or so. Then add the maple syrup and the salt, and blend everything together. This gives a subtle sweetness and a lovely balance of flavor. Now pour the eggnog through a fine sieve to remove any lumps or extra bits of nutmeg. This step makes it beautifully smooth. Let your eggnog cool completely, then transfer it into a jug or a glass bottle. Pop it into the fridge for at least 1 hour. It gets thicker, creamier, and even more delicious as it chills. And there you have it, my homemade Christmas eggnog. Rich, silky, and full of festive cheer. Serve it cold, sprinkle a little extra nutmeg on top, and enjoy it with friends and family for those joyful Christmas moments. I'm so excited to share something truly special with you. The song you hear throughout my cooking video is my brand new Christmas song, Christmas is Coming. This gorgeous track is all about the magic, warmth, and joy that fill the air during this beautiful season. I can't wait for you to hear it and let it bring a little extra sparkle to your holidays. Let's celebrate together. Christmas is coming. I'm Sibel Hill, wishing you a warm, cozy, and very Merry Christmas. Cheers to love, comfort, and a cup of pure Christmas happiness.
Christmas is coming.